Governor Yahaya Bello of Kogi State has given the assurances that all laws made by his administrations were citizen-driven and aimed at making the state great. Bello gave this remark on Tuesday when he signed 4 bills into law in a ceremony held in Government House, Lokoja. He stressed that his administration inherited a state that was operated without adequate laws, but has witnessed tremendous improvement in his tenure, adding that the 7th Assembly had performed efficiently.
I want to thank the Speaker, Kogi State House of Assembly, principal members, and other members, management staff of the Kogi State House of Assembly for a job well done. Let me specifically express my appreciation profoundly to the Kogi State Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice for taking your time to peruse through all of these laws that you have just signed by ensuring that all the T's are crossed and the I's are properly dotted. And I thank every other agency who have participated in ensuring that we have an enabling law that will ensure that we have a clean and serene environment, that we have our revenue being boosted in the state, and ensuring that our people have good governance delivered to them. I urge the Kogi State House of Assembly under the leadership of the Speaker to please help to identify all of these laws that we have passed and I have signed into law but unimplemented by the various agencies or ministries or parastatals, so that we can jointly carry out M&E, that is monitoring and evaluation, to ensure that they are complied with. Remember, we inherited a state that was virtually lawless. This particular 7th Assembly have done greatly, and I appreciate you all.
In his address, the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Matthew Kolawole, assured that they, as an arm of government, were committed to the development of the state and improvement of revenue generation. He conveyed to the governor that the Kogi State House of Assembly was investigating some certain companies who have been changing the state government, and they would transmit their resolution in no distant time.
I would like to inform Your Excellency that the House of Assembly, we are committed to the development of Kogi State, and we are committed to the improvement of revenue generation in Kogi State. It has come to the notice of the Kogi State House of Assembly that some companies are operating either legally or illegally. I don't know how to put it, but we believe they have been subjuging the Kogi State government for so long, and the House of Assembly is investigating all this, which by the grace of God in the next 1 or 2 weeks we are going to transmit the resolution of Kogi State House of Assembly. And I believe at the end of the day, whoever is found wanting, let's say we are going to transmit our resolution for it to the table, and we want adequate judgment to whatever resolution we pass on to you.
Bills signed into law include a bill to provide for the establishment of Kogi State Sanitation and Waste Management Board Law 2022. The bill to provide for the movement of agricultural produce within Kogi State and other matters connected therewith 2022. Others are a bill to provide for regulation of outdoor structures for the display of signages and advertisements 2022, and a law to provide for the repeal and reenactment of Hotel and Tourism Board Edict of 1995, establishing the Kogi State Hotel and Tourism Board and other matters connected therewith.